guns deploy in Bokajang to check limit. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbinglong Live Morning News. You're watching me on Karbinglong Live, Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for this morning. Now the news in details. With the aim of preventing accidents due to excess speed driving, the District Transport Department has begun installing speed radars gun to cut down the maximum speed limit on accident-prone stretches along the National Highway 36 under the Bokajang subdivision here on Tuesday. The measure was implemented as per the instruction of the District Transport Office Depot. Speed radar guns were deployed inside the Bokajang subdivision along the NH 39. The gun uses radar technology to detect the speed of a vehicle plying on road, and drivers found driving in excess limit would be fined, and the riders would receive all message about violations and official action. Enforcement officer Renuka Inglengpi and Mampi Shyam told Karbinglong Live that the traffic violators would have to go to the DTO themselves to pay fines. Further, the enforcement officials informed that all riders and drivers have to drive vehicles at a state speed limit. That is, they all have to drive at 80 km per hour in areas where the 80 km per hour speed limit is clearly written or notified.
Ba towar long ko ada gari accident also accident ke pakomi phansi la si mane la speed hell radar gun pu government penili tumhan la transport department tumhan angi kilo la towar long speed limit assign pc ke doma la so teng pen se 40 yong si speed limit towar long do pulote la so 40 pen yong si abc mane bag lo pulote la ke ni tum case that po la ke office long alang ni tum mobile long sitam message bang po on ke la tum 2000 mane suri hini fine pinang ko po. Konama la signboard long la speed limit to warong piti mage to la so apeng ako 60 penyong si above 80 penyong si above alang ni penyong si veglo plate lagi ni tum mane da la so speed limit radar gan ni tum lagi capture det po lagi case det la hane
government ra nom sa me kon la speed ke dam ke
mane la ke speed ke da mane to warong togri ke la sign hai speed limit non ladak ke ni tum 40 penyong si abc ke ba veglo plate lagi ni tum dak case yan po lagi ako la penyong si do alhag din ke highway long do 80 penyong si above mane lata veglo plate ni tum lagi case det po lagi
la so sai comment tu malam masih keceng gitu
la ke non ni cap ne do lo
la pini nang itu Bokajang long ke pini
Bokajang long ke ni tum pini si first lang apun national highway 39 ke ni tum pini si first keceng silang ada ke
Chorol
Anantirang's report from Bokajang for Karbinglong Live. In a tragic that unfolded Monday night, one person from Romiran Sartheterang village under Dokmoka police station was killed in the attack of a wild elephant. The deceased was identified as Ucharan Rongpi, son of late Tangnang Rongpi. At around 3 a.m. on Monday night or early morning of Tuesday, Ucharan Rongpi stepped out of his house to go towards the urinal. Suddenly, 3 wild elephants that already entered the compound to eat the ripe jackfruit saw and attacked him. Unfortunately, Ucharan was killed on the spot. The matter was immediately informed to the Dokmoka Range Forest Staff and Dokmoka Police Station. OC Daimari and Dokmoka Range Forest Deputy Ranger Samson Ingti rushed to the site of the accident, held discussion with the locals to allow the body to be taken for postmortem. From a long time, the Dokmoka Range under Karbi Anglong had been witnessing series of man-animals conflict, especially the attack of elephants on humans. Several houses had been damaged and many people sustained injuries in the past as well. The death of Ucharan Rongpi had once again opened the dormant wounds of the people here.
Pini niljum Karbinglong Live team pen ladak rong mirdan Sartheterang arong masidolo ladak bangke Silrampur labangso angnam mati labangso reserve forest highway ri lo labangso arong bangke la si non pedawada isining duga birta nili Karbinglong Live ara teman pacini pan poring tuma lalo lapu bangke ada ladak pen 100 meter tavelo kala dar bangke national highway lo la national highway parlote labangso reserve forest lo sitame lalo ladak bangke rong mirdana ha war bangke aningkan wang mate ajo wang ingnar habida ingnar atum pensi kaike mata dakara atum mate da silompura atum bangke kaike mata asok kecirinti pen cenglok la ladak pengnu pen cenglok sok katiki apor hut punon la habida ingnar atum bangpo penang an panah hok puson dodo pen ajo wang dakara atum bangke amek janglong le anu janglong le la puson se ningkan kang tim ke paparnang lo sitame ningkan thongkep susilo sitame daga bangke la puson hunikan ti la puson bangke awelang sitame bini bangke ning duglo dentum karmi long like pestame ladak ucaram rong pipu inoda bekar ladak dadak sarti terang rong amek diuri lo alang li pedawada ni kamera pakpak lang itung la nili pi bangke non la bangso karlitang ucaram alang li arjon lo hala bangke nili kameraman pakpak lang itu ke la bangso jang pongrong si la bangso jang pongrong rong ni rong komdo la bangso jang pongrong athi kichuji phansi la tum mane pedap baji ke thoma por lom la bangso habineng na tum banglo alatum ajo wang si ke bang tang dalo pot tuweta jirlo por lang tum la bangso ing na tum habineng na tum kauri pathar sinang dudlo tami kauri pathar ara tum bangke thur pagama si achenga muri pen hara dak penang hunglo masi la bangso habineng na ladak sathe terang arong nang lut choklo sami ning dugalam mangalo dadak ucaram la kalitang ucaram la bangso rong pihem la bangso kedo la bangso jang pongarong long si la bangso ing naratum la bangso athi kichu husi alang li banga kopai ke lang no punang konglo alang le kopai ke lang no barso ba pi ke doji pumasi hong ke bang masi kesar lo pisodan alang alang puta same adiuri lo daga arong mangke same alang le kopai ke lang no lo alang le barso ba pi nang do hur masi la bangso ing nar pelog lo la daksi la bangso ing nar la helo keng bot lo le pak lang pon la lo keng bot lo la bangso ing nar daksi karjap lo punang pak lang thake man la bangso ing nar la pupen si wang lo mara si la keng bot kadung weta dak dolo la bangso ing nar dak wang ma la so thipu chulik ke chulik ma si la so sabra phan bang dak khilo ma dak pen puai ngomik pen puwar lo ma se aing nar bang aning kopi si la bangso habi deng nar bang ke hadak damat asik khop la pen apu la puson sak ma si apran armut deblo nasi ning duk piglo non mat ke dak rong me karatung kadung ko me thudun paksi aina phan plung dun ji phan tuwe jirlo maji ke thoma por lo malang litum bor ilo stame kopai lang no apran bang ke en pondelo la bang sing na ratum si la sila dang non mat ke alang litum buti ke pan pi ne la bang so kar biaron atang alang litum ceklem pondelo ni tum han same karbing long life hasal birta na pi masen ni tum la dang lo
baji ki thoma ra te malom jibon nili hemadu malo nili ar piar jun long ke hangar jun long sita memang ke thur nili na li duno por am pang ke hala amonil ba apan otika elo la sopor bang aho hak nili tum le hungdun tu sita me pudun delo hala insiden no bang ke hala ke pobe ka bang pu kan ini tum pajok dong elo
la aprang la son alam ki dolo na dak ningkan thongkep nali tum la dak chubuchi de da phi
ladak nili tum ningkan thongkep pleng kai lo dak nangadu dak nili tum ke buci tapi ni ani antala suna lama nili tum marjulong lepena la so prang ningkan hini prang la bangke ningkan hini prang hala biran hangcho phala puasap indoi kang phiriat dolo kita hala ke la an major incident kali kita dogo dolo
Almost all families under Longkamtaran are dependent on agriculture for their survival. In this season of planting, the farmers work for a long time in their field during the daytime. While at night, residents are compelled to stay awake and guard their crops from the attack of wild animals. This has been going on from a long time, and people are frustrated that they are getting no respite from the problem. The villagers have approached the authorities several times in the past to take action on the matter, but till now, no effective measures are adopted. Following this latest incident, villagers had once again appealed the local MLA Dorsing Ronghang and MEC Longkamtaran and also the forest security officials to set up solar panels and solar boundary fencing around the farmland to keep away animals at night.
procedure pa na non la police men la non ilum dolo anda thano to non mangela anang ko post ni ko pathai
ante non mangke kitang lot po non ahela so kan la ina mai konsaki ahin pen kopini compensation mate sarkar pen kopini lason duma so provision duma
la sobat ma ni litum si la report manai po dak pen kopi mala la non la ilitum thilong pen la postmortem report non pen report manai po lasim ni litum la dfo long an mang ni tum forward kuri pol hai bang
athima alang like halang namar lu kedam thengke nam mate hanchu bidam ahudle ahudi khampi ko ta kali non bang hemalong mang si la bang so habi ding nar bang si apna model lo so putha
lasi langkang salo mane non nil tum la report ba ngai la po report kopi manon tana ki kuri la report ba nil tum sab top la po la ben la support bank forwarded.
With a rapid increase in population of human beings and the massive destruction of forests, accounts of such conflicts are expected to rise. As such, people of the affected area are looking up to the authority to take up effective and definite steps to protect the habitat of the wild animals. Lack of actions on the part of the authority would only create more circumstances to such tragic incidents in the future, where either humans or the animals will become victims. Longkamtaran's report from Danarong for Karbi Anglong Live. Longkamtaran, one of the finest and greatest literary figures among the Karbis and the first president of the Karbi Lametamai, was remembered on his 11th death anniversary on Tuesday. People from across Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong paid their loving tribute to the deceased literary personality. Karbi Lametamai West Region or the Nijang Longri Amai organized a commemoration program at Pelangpi Green English School playground. Members of the regional committee paid floral tribute and lighted candles in his name. Traditional ritual of Tirim Kangduk was also performed by the local priest to seek his blessing for all those people working for the development of Karbi language. The commemoration program here was led by KLA Central Committee members Ramsing Pangcho and Joyram Ronghang in the presence of regional committee leaders Ramsing Kathar, Samson Ingti and others.
Pini jome ni me arni nangale retum Karbia khaya pan kamatha tikang ubi gimi ke thai kere ariso yang abang pu bang pi pan ke tokalang lapen logo charlie abar sai Karbia lam met kalam chong pirthia wai kangalong kapaji tham lun thai dia pan pura alangli matha si alangli girpo alangli girpi tempen Haru Kristir kera phokarat thakanen kan Karbi lamet tiri amai seng ponlo kicengsi amai pu alangli karitang Longkamtaran alangli sarpu deng ponlo lapen alangli la anang bong ke claim ke tampon Karbi alam LP school lang berjali pan tam hidi lapen lam marjong alang litum ketok ponpen pini LP school along alang tum ketok ketapen alang litum ketok ketapen ala school keceng si ang deng tamidi wan tamidi tu lapen si non puta ilitum Karbi alam school along kapidun long lake alang litum kamatha tikang alam lo ake boy ilitum akatora alang li pirte pen jiui dana lang pusitame alang li arnam ar long apun achak kechok pen se alang li pirte unang kong lo se alang li ukok pusitame ilitum keturmi uwi tum aphan awar sai ki pitikang pen ilitum nonpu arnita ketok alang li sayamu kape plengnya pan ke abang putin ta ar pudeng ponlo tam ini ngadu ko bang ke alangli pirte u tikang pen ili tu pan lahai asayamu na tikang ruk pen kupon son si ili tu kape pleng pon tu tegima la bang ili tu kadu ko be jingwa jingsai pon bom pen si ili tu claim pon je alang le saya mo pichun vek na gi po bangali tum ase me pi deng po nang kopo la pen pinia arni bangke alang li ing deng krisi alang li per the ka chi u arni lo pa si dak keronia long hatame elitum alamet aro arim doko ko po si long ria mai pen tiria mai pen aro mai pen jingrum si elitum pinia alang le phan karli arni talon pon lo lasi alang li kaya lamu bangke akitab abang putin ta lang long lo lasi alang li ki klem pon asayang deng bangke neli than pon uelo lasi neli alang li kaya lamu ke pajir mi mesi peni elitum katalon pon alam the jihek pen la ansi neli ninggi pon cholo.
Similar program was also held in Dipu, where the KLA Central Committee, led by its president Hitinat Rongpi, paid homage to the late literature. Likewise, the branch committees of Dilai, Rongagora, Dongmukak, and others also honored him during the day. It may be mentioned that Longkamtaran's contributions to the world of Karbi language and literature is incomparable. His books on Karbi grammar and Karbi culture are still serving as basis for studies and researches in Karbi language. Mohantiran from Pelangpi, along with News Desk report, Karbi and Long Life. And that is how we have it as for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi and Long Life. Have a good day.